Restores. Moisturizes dry irritated skin caused by harsh weather, irritants, soaps, and conditions such as eczema, psoriasis, and dermatitis by enhancing the integrity of the outer layer of the skin that allows the skin to heal from within. Beyond hydration. This soothing body lotion promotes healthy skin from within, lasting from 4 to 12 hours and does not wash off, ensuring long-lasting protection from home and workplace toxins. Provides relief from allergies and dry, itchy, cracked skin. Shielding protection. Healing lotion that protects against environmental toxins, sanitizers, frequent handwashing, and irritants found in cosmetic and cleaning products. Perfect for people with sensitive skin as it helps prevent skin allergies and rashes. Dermatologist recommended. Prescribed by skincare experts and doctors worldwide. Unparalleled relief for dry and cracked hands and feet. Apply a small amount on clean, dry skin. Reapply every 4 to 12 hours. This lotion is non-greasy and fast-absorbing. Made in the USA. Gloves in a bottle is hypoallergenic, vegan, cruelty-free, and every ingredient is on the FDA's most safe list. Top reviews from the United States. Not a lotion in the classic sense. First time I have bought this size, but I have bought smaller units in the past. The product is very good. I wish it was less expensive, but it doesn't wash off every time I wash my hands and seems to take less to cover than classic lotions.